In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of frugal living with none other than the king of finance himself, Graham Stephan. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, then you're in for a treat. Graham has become famous for his brutally honest, no-frills approach to personal finance, and in today's video, he's sharing his top frugal living tips to help you save money like a pro. First up, slash down that high-interest debt. High-interest debt can be a real thorn in your side when trying to live frugally and maintain financial stability. Fortunately, personal finance expert Graham Stephan has some valuable insights on how to tackle this issue. According to Stephan, high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can be a huge drain on your finances, as the interest rates can accumulate rapidly over time. By prioritizing paying off high-interest debt, you can free up more of your income to put towards savings and investments. Stephan recommends implementing strategies like the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debt first and then move on to the next one, to achieve faster progress and keep your motivation high. With the right approach and mindset, tackling high-interest debt can help you get on the path to financial freedom and enable you to live a more frugal and fulfilling life. Next, be sure to start or continue investing. Investing can be a game changer for frugal living, and Graham Stephan is here to show us how. Investing your money wisely can help you grow your wealth over time and achieve your financial goals faster. By making smart investment decisions, you can benefit from compound interest, which means that your money will earn interest on top of interest, resulting in exponential growth. Stephan suggests investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds to minimize fees and diversify your portfolio, thus reducing risk. With the right knowledge and strategy, investing can be a powerful tool in your frugal living arsenal. So, whether you're looking to retire early, build a nest egg, or achieve financial freedom, investing is an essential element to help you get there. Have you hit the jackpot with your investment strategy? Don't keep it to yourself. Share your secrets with us in the comments below and help others on their journey towards financial freedom. After that, be sure to minimize every cost. Frugal living can be achieved by adopting a minimalist lifestyle, and personal finance expert Graham Stephan swears by it. According to him, even small expenses can add up, and by cutting back on unnecessary costs, you can save a significant amount of money in the long run. To achieve this, you must be mindful of your spending habits, track your expenses, and avoid impulsive purchases. Emphasizing needs over wants and living within your means can make a huge difference. If you are ready to take control of your finances and live a more frugal life, then start minimizing every cost today by following Stephan's advice. Remember, small changes today can lead to big savings tomorrow. When you are ready for retirement, look into the Trinity Study. Are you tired of constantly worrying about your finances? Fear not. The Trinity Study has arrived. This groundbreaking research, conducted by 3 brilliant professors at Trinity University in 1998, has the potential to transform the way we think about frugal living. The Trinity Study states that by determining a safe withdrawal rate from your retirement savings, you can ensure your funds last for at least 30 years. The Trinity Study has become the holy grail for personal finance enthusiasts like Graham Stephan. Through following its principles, you too can achieve financial independence and live within your means without sacrificing your quality of life. Continuing, we have slash your bills and save big. Are you tired of shelling out large sums of money on bills every month? Well, personal finance guru Graham Stephan has a solution for you. Slash your bills and save big. By taking a hard look at your expenses and finding ways to cut costs, you can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars a year. Stephan recommends starting with easy targets like your utility bills, where simple changes like turning off lights and adjusting the thermostat can lead to significant savings. He also suggests shopping around for better deals on services like insurance and internet. Not only will slashing your bills help you save money, but it will also give you a greater sense of financial freedom and control. Next, try and switch jobs, often looking to supercharge your earning potential and live frugally. Then it might be time to start switching jobs more often, according to finance expert Graham Stephan. By moving around, you can potentially earn higher salaries, bonuses, and benefits, which can help you save more and pay down debt faster. Stephan also emphasizes the importance of negotiating your salary and benefits package when starting a new job. By doing so, you can ensure that you're being paid what you're worth and getting the best possible deal. While job hopping may seem intimidating or unstable, it can actually lead to greater career growth and job satisfaction. So if you're looking to boost your income and take control of your finances, consider following Graham Stephan's advice and start exploring new job opportunities today. After that unusual tip, let's get back to the basics and live on less. To get your finances in order, one of the most effective strategies is to live on less. By embracing a more minimalist lifestyle and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you can reduce your financial stress and live a more fulfilling life. Stephan recommends to start by finding areas where you can cut back and exploring alternative ways to save money, such as switching to cheaper brands or using coupons. By living on less, you can also develop a greater appreciation for the things that truly matter in life, such as experiences, relationships, and personal growth. Are you loving Graham Stephan's tips so far? Then hit that like button and share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge. Keep watching because there are plenty of other helpful tips and tricks coming your way. With that, we have negotiating bills and fees. It's time to negotiate like a pro. Stephan believes that negotiating is a powerful tool that can help you live a more frugal life. Whether you want to lower your cable bill or reduce your credit card interest rate, the key is to be persistent and confident in your ability to save money. So, start by doing your research and finding comparable products or services that are offered at a lower price. Armed with this knowledge, you can negotiate with your service providers or lenders to get a better deal. By negotiating your bills and fees, you could potentially save hundreds or even thousands of dollars each year, which can be invested in your future for a more fulfilling life. Next, learn to start gourmet cooking on a budget. Who says that gourmet meals have to come with a hefty price tag? Finance expert Graham Stephan certainly doesn't. He suggests that with a little creativity and some smart shopping, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious meals without breaking the bank. Not only you will save money by cooking at home, but you'll also improve your culinary skills and impress your friends and family with your delicious creations. So why settle for boring, cheap meals when you can indulge in gourmet dishes without breaking the bank? With a little creativity and some savvy shopping, you can enjoy the finer things in life while still maintaining a frugal lifestyle. You can also try to start a business on a shoestring budget. Did you know that starting a business on a shoestring budget is possible? According to finance expert Graham Stephan, starting a business doesn't have to involve significant upfront costs. By leveraging your skills, creativity, and a bit of hustle, you can launch a business that provides a valuable service or product while keeping costs low. Stephan recommends starting small and focusing on generating revenue early on, rather than investing heavily in expensive equipment or advertising. This approach can help you build a solid foundation for your business. So, if you have an entrepreneurial spirit and a desire to live more frugally, why not give it a try? If you've successfully launched a business on a shoestring budget and are now reaping the rewards, then share your strategies in the comments below to guide. After that, reduce pet care expenses. As much as we love our furry friends, pet care expenses can add up quickly. That's why Graham Stephan advises finding ways to reduce these costs without sacrificing the well-being of your pets. One way to do this is by shopping around for the best deals on pet food and supplies, or buying in bulk to save money. Another option is to learn basic grooming skills to cut down on grooming expenses. With some creativity and resourcefulness, it's possible to provide your pets with everything they need while still living within your means. So if you're a pet owner looking to save money, take Graham Stephan's advice and find ways to reduce your pet care expenses without compromising on quality. Following that, be sure to maximize employee benefits and perks. Maximizing employee benefits and perks can be a powerful tool for living a more frugal life. Many employers offer a range of benefits and perks beyond just a salary, including health insurance, retirement plans, and even gym memberships or commuter benefits. Stephan suggests taking advantage of these benefits to save money on expenses you would have had to pay for out of pocket. For example, utilizing a company gym or taking advantage of commuter benefits can help you save on transportation costs. And by investing in a retirement plan through your employer, you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. By maximizing these benefits and perks, you can make the most of what your employer has to offer and save money in the process. Next up, shop for low-cost healthcare options. One of the biggest expenses in life is healthcare, but that doesn't mean you can't find ways to save money. Finding low-cost healthcare options is a crucial step in living a more frugal life. One way to do this is by exploring community health clinics or low-cost health services provided by nonprofits. Another option is to research different health insurance plans and compare their costs and coverage. Stephan also recommends taking advantage of preventative healthcare measures, like getting an annual physical and maintaining a healthy lifestyle, to reduce the likelihood of needing expensive medical treatments down the road. By taking the time to find low-cost healthcare options, you can save money while still getting the care you need to maintain a healthy and fulfilling life. With our second to last tip, we have make smart choices when eating out. It's time to take the advice of finance expert Graham Stephan, who believes that dining out doesn't have to break the bank. Instead of going for the most expensive dishes, Stephan suggests looking for budget-friendly options on the menu, such as appetizers or lunch specials. You can also save money by skipping the alcoholic drinks and opting for water instead. Another tip is to take advantage of coupons and deals, which can often be found online or through loyalty programs. By making these smart choices when eating out, you can enjoy a delicious meal without overspending, giving you more money to put towards your financial goals. So next time you're at a restaurant, remember that you don't have to sacrifice taste for frugality. With a little bit of planning, you can have the best of both worlds. Lastly, always avoid unnecessary home upgrades and renovations. Are you thinking of upgrading or renovating your home? Before you do, take a tip from finance expert Graham Stephan and consider whether it's really necessary. Many people make the mistake of thinking they need to constantly update and upgrade their homes, even when it's not really necessary. Instead, he suggests that thinking carefully about whether a renovation or upgrade will actually add value to your home or improve your quality of life. You can save a significant amount of money that can be put towards other important goals, such as paying down debt or investing for the future. So before you take on that big home renovation project, think carefully about whether it's really worth the expense. We hope that you found these tips helpful and informative. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next one. For more right now, check out this video on how to build wealth and retire early.